All right, we're here at the Uncle Sam's Boat Tours in Alexandria Bay once again. But this time, we're going to go do a, how long? 2 hour?
3.5.
3.5 hour boat ride and tour the Singercastle. Come along with us. Diane's wishing she had a blanket. We gotta get going. We're on a time frame. secret passageway. Another secret passageway. Huh? Yeah, so that's a Murphy bed.
It is not a tanning booth.
Steam.
No. You're close. So it was Dr. Kellogg's electric light bath. At the time, they believed that any form of light would cure any disease and just improve your overall health. So they believed that if you sat in this box for about 30 to 40 minutes, 3 or 4 times a week, with your head sticking out, you would be cured and your overall health would just be greatly improved. However, it did not work. And if you look, so Kellogg was 2 brothers, one was cereal and one was this, and we have heard of cereal and we haven't heard of this. So it kind of tells you which one was worked better and which was more successful. But the light bulbs were actually not strong enough to give you any kind of tan. It did not work well as a sauna, and since they tried and poured water inside, it was very dangerous because there are light bulbs and wiring in the draining. So they were very shocked when they found out it didn't work.
Stove on top, refrigerator on the bottom. Not a good idea. This is the servants' quarters.
Saw that.
Yeah. So the bathroom below this did not have any natural light. So that's a skylight. So it gets light from that window through the skylight to the bathroom below. What do you think of that? The secret passage. All right, well, we just came down from the tour. Holy cow. Got on the boat ride. You get over here, you jump right into a line. They must have had 4 tours going on in that castle at one time, right?
Yeah.
So you're herded through. There's not much time to hang around and look at stuff. Now we have 20 minutes to go check out the gift shop. Then we have to jump on the boat and head back. All right, that's our Singercastle tour. So we got up early. We went in and caught the first boat ride over to the castle. It was a little chilly.
A little.
A little. I even wore a jacket, and I'm kind of warm-blooded. The boat ride was nice over.
It was.
Yeah, it was a little windy. And then when we got to the castle, we unloaded. They split us up into probably 4 groups. And then away we went. And we were at a pretty good clip.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So we're retired. We're used to doing things at our own pace. We just kind of slow. We stop and read and look and watch, and we love to take everything in. And we were on a schedule. I think she had a timer in her pocket, and when she hit a certain time in that one area, it probably zapped her, and she was off like a rocket. Nice lady, but yeah, we felt rushed. It was just like a production. It was really a production.
Yeah.
It was all about the money. When we did Bolt Castle, which we highly recommend the Bolt Castle tour, they take you over there. It's a self-guided tour. You had all the time in the world. You could stay there from open to close. But Singercastle, they herded you through, and then when the tour was over, she said, you got 20 minutes to check out the gift shop,
Gift shop.
and get on the boat, which we did. It was still worth seeing, but if you only have one tour you can do, Bolt Castle. Bolt Castle's the one. All right, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, how about a thumbs up? Leave a comment down below. Have you done this tour? What did you think of it? Did you feel rushed like we did? Did you do the Bolt Castle tour? How do they compare? Leave us a comment. Anything else?
No.
No. Okay. So that's it. As always, have a great day.
And happy trails.
Happy trails. We'll see you in the next video.